It's the #1 fire truck, Mommy.
Is it?
Yeah, because I see it on it.
Right.
Yeah, and where we at, Mommy? And where we at?
We're at a park.
We went to this park before.
Yeah, we've been to this park before.
Why did you park another way, Mommy?
Because it was all full.
Because this side was all full?
Mhm.
Oh, I saw a spot right there.
No, you can't park where there's lines. What do we see? Let's see. Press for time. Paninis. Yeah, the playground is back there, but we're just eating. We're gonna eat here too. Oh, pralines. Huh? You want that one to eat? What is that?
Cookies. The rocks.
That don't look safe.
Mommy, I don't know over those rocks.
Why don't you just run to the tree really fast?
Huh?
Run to the tree. Hey.
Take a bite. Here, take some more. It's just chicken.
You like your food?
No. Yes. Yes.
What are you eating?
Chicken and bread.
Chicken and bread?
Yeah.
Also, say a quesadilla. Deacon, you like your food?
Yeah.
What are you eating?
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
Mommy.
You want some more chicken?
Go dance with your friend.
Mommy.
Right hand said we were married and I'd be the man. Now you broke your promise, go on till you please. My poor heart is aching while you're at your ease. And I'm sailing around the ocean, sailing around the sea. Search for pants, Molly, wherever she may be.